Hey guys, Vlogmas day 20th. Yes, I know I haven't been vlogging, but I've been doing other work outside of Vlogmas, and today is my meetup. I'm so over the moon. I cannot believe this is happening in Times Square with Covergirl. If you guys weren't informed, it's because you don't follow me on Instagram, so make sure you do because I definitely keep you guys updated there, especially in my IG stories, but I am running late as per usual, so I'm about to call my Uber and about to leave. My apartment is a mess, but this is what I'm wearing. Alright guys, so I just made it to Covergirl, and look at that girl! Alright guys, we're upstairs. Hi! Say your name.
Kiara.
Kiara.
Yes, my best friend. She like put me on
say
to
hi.
you.
Oh, say
Hi, Rosa. Hi, Rosa.
Rosa, why are you here? Why are you here?
She's ER right now.
Oh, up here living the life. Never mind.
Yeah, but
have fun. Guys, look how stunning she looks. And she got her makeup done here. Wait, look that way. Look at that highlight though. Look at that glow though. Alright, just getting out from Covergirl. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much to you guys that came. Honestly, it meant the world to me. We're now gonna get late at Chick-fil-A. It can't get any better than this. After a beauty event, good morning guys. So it is the next day. I have some eye patches on right now. It's just one of those mornings where I truly need it. If you're wondering, these are my favorite eye patches from Peter Thomas Roth. They're the 24K gold hydrogel eye patches. I love it. Truly genuinely work and make your... So this is the new look of my greca. This came apart, and every time I use it now I have to use a trapito. I'm also making a sandwich. By the way, my apartment is a hot mess everywhere. The kitchen is a hot mess, the living room is a hot mess, the closet is a hot mess. I need to clean today, get my life together before the weekend because I'm heading to Connecticut. Right, I just finished eating, but like I mentioned, I have lots to do in this apartment, like clean. I also have to finish wrapping my Christmas gifts, but I do want to give a huge thank you to all the girls that came yesterday at the meet and greet. Honestly, it was a dream come true and a lot of fun. I feel like we're a little family, to be honest, and I'm forever grateful for you guys. So thank you so much for coming. I hope to see more of you guys next time, and of course a huge thank you to Covergirl for hosting the meet and greet. Make sure to check out their store in Times Square because it's pretty cool. But let's get to cleaning. So I ended up cleaning my brushes yesterday or 2 days ago. I didn't film it. I've been all over the place, guys. I wanted to show you guys how I clean them, but I could show you on another video if you're still interested, so let me know in the comments below. What I can do in the meantime though is show you guys how I clean them, or what I use to clean them, which is this little rubber thing that I put in my hand. I got this at Marshall's for like $6 or less, I think. And basically it's like a little cup, so I can't put the soap directly in there, but I usually just put a huge bowl with water and this soap right here. That's what it looks like. It has endless uses for it. You can find it at Target. I get mine at Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe, for $13, but usually it's like $20 for this. It's a natural soap and it brings a lot, so it's going to last a long time, which is the positive, and it cleans absolutely everything, especially my beauty blenders, which are so hard to clean. By the way, I really wanted to talk about this product. I've had it for a long time, but it's my first time using it and it works instantly. This is an acne spot treatment from Peter Thomas Roth. It's a lot different than the Potency Targeted Spot Treatment or Brightener. This actually treats and gets rid of the acne right away. This one, it's more for brightening the dark spot, but to get rid of the acne, this is a lifesaver. It smells a little funny and it is strong, but it works. So quite worth it if you're looking for a spot treatment. All right, so hours later, I'm done cleaning. My cousin Ezekiel is here.
Hi.
I got him hooked to Money Heist, and now he's up to season 2. He's obsessed with this show, guys. Just saying. Anyways, I got him to go to Kennedy Fried Chicken. So yesterday at the meetup, one of the girls that went, her name is Yolanda, she came and gave me a little gift with this dress and a handwritten note. Thank you so much. This truly means a lot to me. So thank you so much for coming. I hope to see you again. You guys don't ever have to bring me anything, but this was so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I feel like I've been looking a mess today, but honestly, I feel so blessed with you guys and my little virtual family. Honestly, you guys are the best. So I honestly don't know what I did to deserve you guys, but your constant support and your constant love just puts a smile on my face every day. So thank you so much. Again, you guys don't ever have to bring me anything at any meetup, but that really meant a lot to me. Thank you so much, Yolanda.
Did you even really mean it? Did you even look through it? Did you even read it? What? I've been breaking up with girls since I was 15. It's the only thing that hasn't got easier. It's water, the sun, flat chest in the mountains. And ooh, I love that ass, but I hate the f***ing outfit. Indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling. We're an endless diamond sky, a whole new world. Club going up.
It's so shit till they get locked.
This is when Eric gets happy.
From till you don't, till you get locked.
Hey guys, so I am back from Connecticut. I went over this weekend to spend some time with my boyfriend and his family before Christmas Eve. Tomorrow though, it's Christmas Eve. I cannot believe how fast December is going by. My birthday's in a few days too. On my last Vlogmas video though, which was day 12 to 14, I did a mini giveaway or surprise giveaway in the comments. So I'm going to be choosing one of you guys from the comments right now. That was a little awkward. The winner is Pamela Santos, and these are the goodies that you're going to be getting. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys constantly give me. I wanted to do more holiday giveaways this season, but honestly with the whole move and just so much going on this month, I haven't had time to think about it or plan it, but I'm going to be doing one more for tomorrow. I'm going to be mentioning on Christmas Eve. All you have to do to enter is comment below which videos you would like to see next year and which goals do you have for yourself for 2019. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas and see you guys tomorrow.